Hey guys, welcome back. So I'm literally at a park right now. It's spring break and my kids are here at the park playing, so there's nobody here, so I was like, why not try to film my Ipsy versus Boxycharm video. The only awkward thing is that there's a guy like diagonal from me, like across from me, like literally staring at what I'm doing. This is so damn aggravating. What, you want to say hi?
What are you doing?
I'm trying to film a video while you guys play.
Hello.
So, let's see how this goes because he's literally like, he's staring. So, I'm hoping that the lighting is okay. I don't really know how good the lighting is at this moment, but I am hoping that it's okay. If you hear screaming, those are my kids. Because they're playing, they're by themselves in the park, so they're super excited. So let's see how quick I can do this because I pretty much have 20 minutes to do this. So this is going to be, guys, my March Ipsy versus Boxycharm. All right, so we're gonna go into Ipsy first. So here's the little pamphlet that we get for everything that is in the box. This is so awkward, but whatever, who cares? Okay. And we're gonna go ahead and jump right in. I'm not gonna be trying on anything right now because, as you know, I don't have time, but it's okay. So first thing I pull out of here is from Pure Lease, and this is the Blue Lotus Balancing Moisturizer. This is a full size. This is 1.7 ounces, and I have tried this before and I think I really enjoyed it. So let me see what this retails for. Let's see if they put it in here. They did. So this retails for 45 bucks, so that's like double what the box costs already with that. Next thing in here are some brushes from Farrah, and this says Be Beautiful, Be You. And these are valued at $50. This is the 5-piece Eye Perfection set, and I'm not sure, it says, yeah, it says, I think I want to gift these though, but I have so many brushes. It has a tapered blending, it has a large shading, it has a mini tapered blending. It also has a short shading and, what's the other one? A fly wings. What does that mean? I have no idea. Okay. So that's for the 5-piece Eye Perfection set. Next thing in here is from Pixi, and this is a Lash Lift Mascara, and this is a double brush mascara. I am gonna open it so you guys can see the brush, and this is valued at $18. So it has like something here in the middle. I don't know what that's supposed to mean. Oh yeah, so it has this thin brush when you pull it out there. And then if you go ahead and pull this part out, it has the larger, thicker brush. I like this. This is cool. So this one could be for like your lower lash line. I mean, not your lower lash line, your lower lashes. And this one could be for your regular lashes. I can't wait to try that out. Next thing in here is from Benefit Cosmetics, and this is the Dandelion Shy Beam Nude Pink Matte Radiance Highlighter. This is the box, and this is valued at $26. So let's pull this out so you can kind of see it. This is what it looks like. Very pretty packaging, rose gold, adorable. I'm like squinting because there's a lot of light, so. It has like a nail polish type brush. And that's what it looks like. And then you put that on the areas you want to highlight and blend it in. And I think I mentioned it's valued at $26. Last thing in here I'm excited about. This is from Huda Beauty, and this is the Mauve Obsessions eyeshadow palette. Can you guys see that? The lighting all of a sudden gets good, gets bad, gets... Let me take it out of this little thing right here. You probably can see it better that way. And let me show you these gorgeous colors. It has a cute little mirror right here, and then it has these colors. Wow, this is beautiful. I love that. This is valued at $27. And I think I'm gonna swatch it because I believe I'm gonna keep this. I really, really like this palette. For travel, it's really nice as well. It's nice and compact. It has colors that I absolutely love, which are like all these rosy, rose gold colors. Those are some of the shimmers. Well, those are all the shimmers that I just swatched for you. And let me do like a matte. This is a beautiful color. This is a matte, one of the matte colors right here. That's gorgeous. So I'm loving this. Definitely excited. Okay, so for Ipsy Glam Bag. So for Ipsy Glam Bag Plus this month, we got the Huda Beauty Mauve Obsessions palette. We got some Farrah brushes. We have a Benefit Shy Beam highlighter. We have a moisturizer from Pure Lace, and we got a mascara from Pixie. Thumbs up for this month as well, Ipsy Glam Bag. Now we're gonna go into Boxycharm, and I have like a little small rant, guys. I really, really love Boxycharm. I adore Boxycharm, guys. However, I'm a little bit kind of like upset with this whole shipping issue. The reason why it kind of gets me upset, it's kind of like, okay, so you're having shipping issues, but yet the influencers that get their boxes as PR, they didn't have any shipping issues. So that kind of doesn't make sense to me. Like, I don't know, I see it more like as an excuse that doesn't really make sense. Because if there would have been a real shipping issue, I think then that the influencers that get PR for Boxycharm would have had shipping issues as well, but they didn't have any shipping issues, so why should the rest of us have shipping issues? I literally got this on Saturday the 23rd, when we're charged on the 1st of the month. Like, I kind of understand some people don't care. It's not like I'm gonna have like a nervous breakdown because I didn't get my Boxycharm in the beginning of the month, but I don't know, I just feel like that excuse is not just, I don't know, I didn't like that. So, but other than that, I do love Boxycharm. So here's the March box. It came a little bit like beat up, I don't know why, but, and then this theme I absolutely love. So this is gonna be really hard for me to pick who's the winner. This is LEVY and Rose, and that means that everything is gonna be either rose gold or rose or something like that, and I'm gonna be obsessed, I'm pretty sure. All right, so first thing in here, I've been so excited about ever since I saw that this was coming. These are the Moda Powder and Soft Glow brushes. And you guys know that I'm obsessed with anything that's like a huge brush, and that it's rose gold, even better. Okay, so this values for $29.99. And let me pull the brushes out. Oh my God, they're so pretty. I love this. I'm excited about this. So these are the brushes right here. I hope you guys can tell that they're like a true rose gold. I hope you guys can tell because they're hard to see here. But I love powder brushes, guys. If you know me and you've been watching me, you guys know that I'm obsessed with that. Next thing in here is from Wander Beauty, and this is the Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask. And then of course it's in like the tube is in a rosy color. I'm excited to try this out. I usually would rather like those paper or whatever masks. I'm not a huge mask person, but I do like to use them every so often. And the ones that I like the least are peel off masks, but I'm excited to try this one to see if I'm gonna like it. So this is $34. And yes, it's nice and rosy. This I am absolutely obsessed with. This is the Ofra Cosmetics Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick in Monaco. And look at this, guys. This is literally like true rose gold color. I hope this is picking up because I feel like the lighting is getting worse by the second, and it's so weird because it's so sunny. Oh my God, this is so beautiful. Look how gorgeous that is. I love the metallic finish on some, because some of them don't look nice, but this one is beautiful. Beautiful. And that values for $20. Next thing in here that we got was the Appeal Liquid Eyeshadow, and this isn't like rose gold. It says rose gold, but it's like more like a gold color, if you guys can see that. I'm gonna open it up so I can swatch it. Yeah. it's like a more gold color. The name is rose gold. I'm not sure why, but the color is gold. It's gorgeous. This is a beautiful, beautiful eyeshadow, liquid eyeshadow color. And then the last thing in here is from Cover FX. Oh, and I don't know if I told you what the appeal. The liquid eyeshadow is $21. And then this, the Cover FX Perfector Face Palette, it retails for $45. And then this is what it looks like inside. Beautiful, beautiful, nice mirror. Beautiful packaging. These are the stuff inside. So you have a highlighter, a contour, contour. You have a finishing powder, which looks absolutely beautiful. You have a brightener up here, a blush, and a highlighter. Gorgeous. That's beautiful. Gorgeous, guys. Okay, so for Boxycharm, we have this Cover FX Perfector Face Palette. We have an Ofra liquid lipstick in Monaco. We have the Wander Beauty mask. We have the brushes, and we have the eyeshadow. This is really hard. Really, really, really hard. So this month, oh my god, this is crazy. I believe, so this month, comparing the two boxes, they're both really, really good, guys. They are amazing. If I have to give 5 stars to one box for like being on time, having all products that I like and everything like that, I will give it to Ipsy 100%. However, this is hard. This is really, really hard. But this month is probably, I don't know, guys, I'm so like on the fence about it, but this month I believe is going to go to Boxycharm. Why? Because I love rose gold. I love all rose gold things. I'm super excited about these brushes because it's powder brush and they're rose gold and I absolutely love them. The liquid lipstick has me like dying, okay? Dying. I'm super excited about this because this is beautiful, as you guys saw right there. And I'm actually excited about trying this mask. Now, with the Ipsy Glam Bag, what I'm most excited about is with the Glam Bag Plus, what I'm most excited about is the Lash, the mascara, and the eyeshadow palette. This month was so hard for me, guys. Like, I didn't think this was going to be so hard. But I gave it to Boxycharm just because I am more excited about the products that are in there. But guys, this was a very, very hard month because both boxes did an amazing job this month. Alright guys, so Boxycharm has 1 point so far for the year. Ipsy Glam Bag Plus has 2. So March is going to go to Boxycharm. Even though I think they were both amazing boxes. Like Ipsy Glam Bag is in the game for real. Like, they're in the game. Alright guys, so that is it for this video. I love you guys so much. I will see you guys next time. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, etc. Let me know how the lighting for this was. I'm sorry I was squinting, but it's really, really like the sun is shining in my face right now. So alright guys, I love you guys and I will see you in my next video. Bye my loves.